This is a really quick video on how to install the IKEA LÅNGUDDEN sink clips. And if you're trying to figure out how to get these things on there and it's not working for you, I couldn't find any videos. So basically you take this over to your sink, put it down on the side. You're going to need to pull this out as far as it goes. Pull the screw out. Sorry, that's wrong. Push it down in all the way so that it's extended all the way out. And then stick it down on your sink edge there before you put it into the sink, before you put it in the sink hole. And it's pretty hard to do, I found, like that. So I just got out the old hammer and pop that down on there. And sure enough, if you get it wiggled around, there it is. It's going to go through there. It's going to go through the hole and latch in. And that's it. It's on there. So the trick was to make sure it was all the way extended out and make sure this is pointed. This is pointed out, all the way extended out. The screw is touching the bracket there, and then hammer it in. That's it.